Finance practice exercises number 25. Lewis has a subsidized student loan, so this is important right here. So government funds pay the interest on his loan until he's out of school. Upon earning his degree at a private college, he borrowed $140,000. So that sounds like the principal of this particular loan, $140,000. Our interest rate is 5 5/500%. And remember, typically that was for 10 years. What will his monthly payment be? So we don't know what that is. Okay, so this is a loan. And so I'm going to go ahead and pause this while we put all of the information into our loan formula. Okay, there we go. So as always, we are going to figure out what this amount is here. And then we get that on our calculator, and we will take 140,000 and divide it by what this amount is right here. And so our monthly payment will be $1,488.34.